Alright. Do your shit. She sucked my damn dick, yeah, I know she likes the shit, she don't lie to me, bitch, cause I can see, bitch, right through your head, I don't give a fuck, I said, everything I fucking said, I mean it, yeah, I bang Fred, yeah, I bang when I bleed, yeah, my feet, it's all in your bitch fucking face, and if you got a problem with me, then I'll ask your girl, how does it taste, you got a problem, fuck you, bitch, I'll spray your ass with fucking mace, nah, I am just playing, but I'll hit your face with a fucking head. I'm so hard, I'm so rock. If you play with me, then stop. Oh my god, girl, stop. I don't wanna hear that fucking shit. All that talking and bullshit. If you got a problem, bitch. If you got a problem, then I hit you with my fucking dick.
Yeah, bitch, don't play no collective game, bitch. Like you said, I will hit you in my fucking dick. Don't play no game, bitch. My rep is so cold that your hoe call me Sub-Zero, which is on my dick, man. I go dumb, I go retarded, I go short, but shorty and your girlfriend in my party. She finna give me head in the bed. Fuck what you said, I bang blood, so I gotta wear red. Wear the red rags with the red shoes, with the white dude.
If you got a problem, solve it. Cause I do not feel like listening to your fucking problems. All that damn talking. You need to start walking. Before I let my chopper go ahead and start talking. Cause that bitch talk too fast. Hit you in your ass. Make your ass flip now. Now you're dropping real fast. Yeah, I take all your cash. I am a fucking thief. Not just playing, but no, I'm not. For real, I take your shit, bitch.
Take your fucking shit, take it from your pussy ass, bitch. You don't wanna play with me, bitch, I cock it blast. You don't want this problem, son. You don't want this shit, dog. Have you in the front yard, chillin' with your fucking bra, shooting your ass up, and I shoot your bitch too, with that fucking do. Nigga, what you wanna do? I thought so, bitch. I thought so, bitch. We thought so, bitch. That's why in this bitch shop.
Fuck with us, we'll hit your damn. Knock your head up off your chest. If you got a problem, bitch, I knock your head up off your neck. Sorry, no disrespect, but your bitch put her in check. Put her in check with my dick. Oh my god, she love that shit. Oh, damn, hold up, wait. I almost said something that I regret. The bitch, she can go to bed and give me some head. Trying to fix the damn necklace. So yo, bitch, suck it out.
Suck my dick, bitch. Drink this orange juice. It ain't orange juice. Bitch, it's white juice. I call it vitamin N. I prescribe you vitamin D. D. Between your teeth, let's go, and I hop on the track like I'm Rep-Theory, yo, and I will slap your hoe with a big hoe, yo. Yeah, my shit is long. I'm from Hong Kong. Ting Chong. Polo I got on. Look at my watch. It got the wrong time. And I ain't tripping. It's a fashion design. I go dumb, nigga. Do it for fun, nigga. Got a boys in this bitch. Nigga.
Now put my fucking thing in the boiling fucking room.